In this last example of trying to find the probability for your standard normal distribution variable z, in this case, the inequality is telling us that z has got to be bigger than this lower bound of 2. So I'll write this as lower bound, but it can be as big as we want. So this is the trick where if you find 2 on your z number line, so this mark 2 over here, I am going to be looking for the area. This probability is the area to the right of that 2. So it goes on forever in this direction. But it's this tiny sliver of area. And it's always the area to the right of z equals 2, because all the z values are bigger than that 2. And the problem with Excel or using the table is that it only tells you the area to the left. You technically can find a table that can tell you the area to the right, but if it's the one I provide you in the test, it'll be the area to the left, which is the more usual one. Fortunately for us, we know 2 useful facts. We know that the total area underneath the curve, right over here, so the total area is all this green area and all this black area added together. That total area is 100%. Everything together is 100%. And the nice rule about the complement rule is that if we wanted to know the area on the right, we could find it by taking away the area on the left from 100%. So the complement to the area on the right is the area on the left, which is something that's always true. You could subdivide your space into the left side and the right side. Since they are opposites, the complement rule tells us if we want to find the area on the right, we can do 1 minus area on the left. This green area is exactly what Excel and your z-score table are going to tell you. Excel will give you the more accurate answer in general. So if I want to actually calculate it, I would pull up Excel. I would say, well, in this particular case, my mean, because the standard normal distribution is still 0, my standard deviation is still 1, my z-score in this case will be a 2. And I will update my label so you can see what it is. And this is going to be the probability that my z is less than the score of 2. And the way I work my formulas, I would write equals and start to go ahead and plug in all this data. But the nice thing about Excel is I could just change my inputs that I've highlighted here, and it would automatically update and tell me what the probability is. But this isn't the probability I want. I want the area to the right of 2. So I want z is bigger than 2, because I will give you stuff on the right. And the trick is, well, I can just say, use the complement rule, which is equals 1 minus the area to the left, which gives me this little tiny probability. So my answer is going to be this 2.275%. So, or 0. The result is going to be a 0.02257. Let's see if I remember that correctly. Looks like I got some of my numbers mixed up. 75. There we go. This will be 4 decimal places. Actually, technically 4 decimal places are right here. And if the homework wants you to do 4 decimal places, you just round it up to 0.0228, and that will give you the right answer.